series, let's talk about the Keynesian consumption theory, according to which current disposable income is the main determinant of current consumption. So the Keynesian consumption function is given to us as consumption is equal to autonomous consumption C bar plus the Marshall propensity to consume times disposable income, which is income minus taxes. Now let's look at each component of the Keynesian consumption function in detail. Let's start with C bar, which represents autonomous consumption, i.e. consumption which is independent of income. Now, how is autonomous consumption possible? It is possible because households can borrow money, reduce their savings, or sell their assets. Then we have MPC, which is the marginal propensity to consume. This tells us the amount by which consumption changes when disposable income increases by $1 and is generally some value between 0 and 1. Then let's move on to YD. YD represents disposable income, which is income at the disposal of individuals to buy goods and services after satisfying the tax obligations to the government. So disposable income is income minus taxes. For taxes, we consider three cases. If the taxes are proportional, then this means your taxes are equal to small ty, where small t is the tax rate. So in this case, our consumption function can be written as autonomous consumption plus MPC times y minus capital T, which represents your proportional taxes in this case. So we can replace it as small t capital Y. Now in the brackets, we have y minus ty, and we can factor out a y from here. So to simplify our Keynesian consumption function as C bar plus MPC times 1 minus ty. Now, the second scenario is what if taxes are lump sum, in which case your taxes are just equal to T bar and your Keynesian consumption function becomes C is equal to C bar plus MPC by minus T bar. If taxes combined, which means that it has a proportional component and a lump sum component. So taxes are equal to small ty plus T bar. So in this case, we can write our Keynesian consumption function as C is equal to C bar plus MPC times y minus, then in brackets, we substitute our capital T, which is ty plus T bar. So a Keynesian consumption function becomes C bar plus MPC times y minus ty minus T bar. So now, apart from the Keynesian consumption theory, there are alternative consumption theories as well, such as Modigliani's life cycle hypothesis, Friedman's permanent income hypothesis, and Fisher's theory of intertemporal choice, but more on that later.